Welcome back to our channel. If you're searching for the perfect mascara that enhances your lashes with a natural look, you're in the right place. Today, we're highlighting the top 5 best natural-looking mascaras that offer subtle volume, definition, and length without the heavy, dramatic effect. Whether you're aiming for a polished everyday look or a touch of elegance for special occasions, these mascaras provide gentle enhancement while maintaining a natural finish. Let's dive into our top picks and find the perfect match for your beauty routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Clinique High Impact Mascara. The Clinique High Impact Mascara is renowned for its ability to deliver natural-looking volume and definition. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer a polished, everyday look that enhances their lashes without appearing overdone. Key features: High Impact Mascara features a large, molded brush designed to coat each lash evenly. The formula includes conditioning ingredients that help strengthen lashes while providing a fuller appearance. The mascara's smooth texture ensures even application without clumping. Benefits and usage: ideal for achieving a natural, defined look, this mascara adds subtle volume and length. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and sweeping the brush upward for a clean, elongated effect. It's suitable for both day-to-day wear and special occasions. Usability: the large brush design allows for easy application and separation of lashes. Its buildable formula provides flexibility, allowing you to layer it for increased volume while maintaining a natural finish. It's user-friendly and perfect for creating a refined, understated look. Durability: known for its long-lasting performance, High Impact Mascara holds up well throughout the day, resisting smudging and flaking. It maintains its definition and volume, ensuring your lashes stay beautiful and natural. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. In the second spot, we have Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. The Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara offers a natural enhancement to your lashes with a blend of nourishing ingredients. This mascara provides subtle volume and length while maintaining a lightweight feel. Key features: Gifted Mascara features a curved brush that hugs the lash line, delivering even coverage and separation. The formula includes Amazonian clay and other natural ingredients that condition and strengthen lashes, promoting healthy growth. Benefits and usage: perfect for achieving a natural yet defined look, this mascara adds gentle volume and length. Apply from root to tip, wiggling the brush for even distribution. It's ideal for everyday wear, providing a clean, polished finish without looking heavy. Usability: the curved brush design ensures precise application and even coverage. The formula's lightweight texture prevents clumping and allows for buildable volume. It's easy to use and suitable for those who prefer a subtle enhancement to their lashes. Durability: Gifted Mascara offers reliable staying power, maintaining its definition throughout the day without smudging or flaking. Its natural formula ensures comfort and flexibility, making it a great choice for long-lasting wear. Removal is easy with a gentle makeup remover. Coming in at number 3 is the Burt's Bees Nourishing Mascara. The Burt's Bees Nourishing Mascara is known for its natural ingredients and gentle formula, making it an excellent choice for a subtle, natural lash look. This mascara enhances lashes while providing nourishment and care. Key features: Nourishing Mascara features a brush with soft bristles that coat each lash evenly, enhancing volume and length. The formula includes natural waxes and oils that condition and protect lashes, promoting overall health and strength. Benefits and usage: ideal for a natural, everyday look, this mascara adds light volume and definition. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and moving upward for a clean, defined effect. It's perfect for those seeking a natural enhancement without heavy buildup. Usability: the soft bristled brush ensures smooth application and separation of lashes. The formula's nourishing ingredients prevent clumping and enhance the natural beauty of your lashes. It's user-friendly and ideal for those who prioritize natural, gentle makeup options. Durability: Burt's Bees Nourishing Mascara holds up well throughout the day, maintaining its subtle definition and volume. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes look natural and beautiful. Removal is simple, with a gentle makeup remover. Taking our fourth spot is 100% Pure Fruit Pigmented Mascara. The 100% Pure Fruit Pigmented Mascara is a unique option that combines natural pigments with nourishing ingredients to enhance your lashes with a subtle, natural look. This mascara offers both definition and care. Key features: Fruit Pigmented Mascara features a brush designed to separate and define lashes while applying a natural-looking color. The formula includes fruit pigments and natural antioxidants that condition and protect lashes, promoting healthy growth and appearance. Benefits and usage: perfect for achieving a natural yet defined look, this mascara provides light volume and length with a touch of color. Apply by starting at the base of your lashes and sweeping upward for a clean, polished finish. It's great for everyday wear. Usability: the brush design ensures even application and separation of lashes, while the formula's natural pigments prevent clumping and enhance the natural look of your lashes. It's easy to use and ideal for those seeking a gentle, effective mascara. Durability: 100% Pure Fruit Pigmented Mascara offers reliable staying power, maintaining its natural definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes remain beautiful and fresh. Removal is straightforward with a gentle makeup remover. And finally, at number 5, we have RMS Beauty Defining Mascara. The RMS Beauty Defining Mascara is known for its natural formula and ability to enhance lashes with a subtle, refined look. This mascara provides gentle definition and volume while maintaining a lightweight feel. Key features: Defining Mascara features a brush with a unique shape that helps to separate and define each lash. The formula includes natural waxes and oils that condition and strengthen lashes, promoting a healthy, natural appearance. Benefits and usage: ideal for a natural, everyday look, this mascara adds light volume and definition without heavy buildup. Apply from root to tip, using the brush to coat each lash evenly. It's perfect for those who want a clean, elegant finish. Usability: the brush design ensures precise application and separation of lashes, while the formula's lightweight texture prevents clumping and allows for buildable volume. It's user-friendly and suitable for creating a natural, polished look. Durability: RMS Beauty Defining Mascara offers lasting performance, maintaining its subtle definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, ensuring your lashes stay beautiful and natural. Removal is simple, with a gentle makeup remover. And there you have it, our top 5 best natural-looking mascaras that provide subtle enhancement without the heavy, dramatic effect. These mascaras are perfect for those who prefer a polished, everyday look with a touch of natural beauty. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.